Gather round and listen, I've a story here for you about the things that Pokey and his friends all like to do. Saggy Baggy Elephant and Scuffy have one too. Stories that have all come true. Sit and listen carefully, and I will begin. This story belongs to you. Scuffy is about to learn that a river's possibilities are as wide as your imagination.
Cool your jets, Blaster. It takes a while to put together the ingredients.
I can't believe it, Scuffy. I'm finally gonna do what I was made for. I tripped to that mysterious ball in the sky. The moon!
Reminds me of the time.
Scuppers, Blaster needs to get going before it gets dark.
Right you are, Scuff. I'll get the baking soda.
Wouldn't it be easier to find the moon at night?
I don't want to miss it in the dark. Besides, my mom doesn't want me out too late.
All right, Blaster, my lad. Open up. All we need now is a bit of the wet stuff.
That's my job.
Here we go. Start the countdown.
10, 9, 7.
8, Scuppers.
Oh, what? 8. Scuffy.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blaster, blast off!
Wow! I'm gonna make it! Oh no!
Blaster! He's landed in the swamp.
I hope the lad's not hurt.
Let's shake a leg and see.
Blaster, are you all right?
Did I make it? Where am I?
Why, this is the moon, of course.
It is? Why can't I see anything?
Well, you see, lad, it's the dark side of the moon, and no one sees anything over here.
You know, you sound just like my friend Scuppers back on Earth.
Of course we sound like Scuppers. He's the lad that taught us your language.
Scuppers has been to the moon?
Aye, that old stuffed dog has sailed everywhere.
There are bees on the moon?
Aye, bees can't resist the honeymoon.
Sure, honeymoon.
Well, we better see about getting you home, laddie.
Oh, thanks. That will be great. I can't wait to tell my pals about this. We almost there?
Anytime now, laddie.
A moon cow?
Sure. We have lots of cows on the moon. Where do you think all that green cheese comes from?
Are you sure this'll work? I'm out of baking soda, you know.
No need for fuel. We'll just drop you and you'll fall to Earth.
How come I can't see the Earth?
Everyone's gone to bed, laddie, and turned off the lights.
I hope my mom's not worried.
I think she'll just be proud. Ready?
I'll say.
3, 2, 1. Blaster, blast off! Blaster, you made it!
Well done! Hooray!
Hooray!
I'm a real rocket now. The moon's small potatoes. I sure don't have to go there again. No, sir. Mars is next. How much baking soda do we have left?
Just enough, Blaster.
So it may well be that if you cover your eyes, you can go anywhere your dreams take you, even to the moon and back.